Telangana, Ramarao of the BRS, has been questioned by the Anti-Corruption Bureau in the Formula E racing case. He was grilled for 6 hours. And 7 hours actually, and the KTR now has also moved to the Supreme Court to quash the investigation against him, the FIR that's been filed against him. KTR repeatedly has said that the allegations against him are completely false and there's no question of corruption in the Formula E grants that were made when he was and when his party was essentially in power. Listen in to what KTR has said soon after he was questioned by the ACB.
Unfortunately, there is no case to be made. This case is a joke. So is the Chief Minister of Telangana. He himself is a joke. So therefore, all I'm saying is, I'm not saying this out of malice or spite. All I'm saying is, if you want to really put me in jail for some time, and if you want to derive sadistic pleasure out of that, you are entitled to. Because now the court has not given me that security, the investigation can go on. However many times they'll call me, I'll go back. I'll answer their questions. I am happy to cooperate. The Supreme Court, I believe, the appeal to the quash petition will be heard on 15th. So I have to consult my legal team now, who's inside.
And Abdul Bashir, who's joining us live from Hyderabad with more details. So on this, Abdul, you're seeing a big political showdown over KTR being questioned, grilled repeatedly by the ACB. The ED also, of course, filed his own case in this particular matter. There are questions now doing the rounds on whether KTR could be arrested next.
Well, when we talk about this case, Akshita, the planning and execution of this case, there has been irregularity. There is no doubt. That is what, the KTR and also the others have to say. But there is no corruption in this particular case. Decision was taken just for the brand image of Hyderabad when he was the MAUD, Municipal Administration Minister, is what KTR has to say. But today's 7 hours of grilling, more than 7 hours, the Anti-Corruption Bureau here in Hyderabad had questioned KTR. More than 80 questions were asked him repeatedly. And then KTR comes out and says that this case is completely empty. There is no evidence. There is nothing that can be taken as a charge here of corruption. So basically, KTR is also stated that he is ready to go whenever the Anti-Corruption Bureau or the authorities are calling him for questioning. There is no doubt that this case is just a political vendetta. It is politically motivated, and what he has to say is that he is ready for any kind of cooperation that is needed for the investigation. Well, the next date for KTR to appear is not given in this particular questioning that had taken place. But what we see is that KTR is clear on his stand that decisions were made just for the brand image of Hyderabad to bring Formula E race in the city of Hyderabad is what KTR had to say.